Meaning of hydra.
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 Hydra. Hydra is a Greek mythological creature with multiple heads, known for its regenerative abilities. In general, the term hydra refers to any organism or situation that has multiple interconnected parts or components. It can also be used to describe an ever-evolving problem or challenge that seems to sprout new difficulties as others are resolved. The name hydra has also been used in various contexts such as science, technology, and fiction to describe complex systems or entities with multiple elements or capabilities that work together in a coordinated manner.